so cute. Oh. Hi you guys, I'm so happy you're here. My name is Rian. Welcome back to my channel. It is my birthday eve. It's Saturday. Tomorrow is my birthday, guys. And like I said, my mom, I don't know if I've said this actually before, but my mom does not understand low-key birthdays. I'm trying so hard to explain to her, Mom, I don't want anything extra. And she's gone and she's bought a bag full.
Don't put me. Put the bag.
A bag full of things. So now she's gonna unbox and show us what she's got. आप इतने क्यूट लगते हो बट आप वीडियो में नहीं आते.
हाँ, आप इतने क्यूट लगते हो. क्यों नहीं आते हो आप वीडियो में?
Guys, Aarti is so cute. She's always smiling.
Yeah.
See, hi बोला. Oh, also she got me coffee from Odo and ice cream and cookie. Loki bird. Oh, cute.
So this goes
Cake
for
topper.
I know you didn't want the screaming happy birthday.
Yeah, this is so.
Decided to make like.
This is also so Sindhi, like a gold happy
This one
birthday.
is mine.
But listen, the cake is already coming all decked out. Oh, you're not gonna put
Cake.
this.
This is
It
the
says
flower.
cake topper. Oh.
Damn them.
Oh, you're just gonna put it wherever you want. Damn.
So in this, I was thinking if you don't want it that loud, we can just use these little things. I love the color.
Yeah.
And then we don't need to add like all this. We can just add the happy birthday one if
Yeah.
you don't want it. Because you want low
Cute.
key, right?
How many happy birthday signs? What will we do with
We
them?
put in both the bouquets, no? Now see, this is for your friends.
Oh, this I love.
And this.
Oh shit, I love this. This is like a tropical
And
summer.
not only that, it
These are
gives,
straws.
yeah, it gives like, and then this look, how cute it is.
This is
Who
Who
is
is
gonna
going to use these ones?
Oh, this is nice.
Oh, I love this. This is what I was telling you is so cute. Like
And
it's
then
going to match
this
my
is
cake.
also lovely.
Menace. I successfully left the house and I'm wearing such a cute summery outfit and Malav was like, you look like you're in your 30s. But that's not true. This is linen summer fashion. He's not understanding the vibe.
Don't
but
expose me.
no, it's true. You're not understanding the vibe. But when we get there, I will do a fit check and show you. Jackie? I will do a fit check and show you what I'm wearing. And I'm just going to Taj to get a blow dry because it's my birthday and I'm a princess. Well, it's not my birthday yet, but like it's gonna be, and this is my birthday blow dry. So I'm gonna get a wash and blow dry, and Mr. Sir is gonna get a haircut. Also, Som sent cookies. She has her cookie brand called Do or Die, and they're insane, the cookies. And obviously she made me birthday cookies, which I knew were coming.
You should put the link in the description.
I don't write a description, but like I'll tag her on my Instagram.
Put
See, remove this bag. Look, wow, it looks so good. Which cookies are these?
I don't know.
Chocolate chip, it looks like.
Yeah, it looks like that.
Yeah. There's Nutella sea salt chocolate chip.
Smalls.
Smalls. Yeah, you can order. Oh, but this is for Bombay people, sorry. Guys, taking longer than me. It's my birthday, not yours, so I'll see you later. Bye. I am done with my blow dry. It's looking so good. They did such a good job. I always am like a little unsure about trying a new place, but this was really good. And now I'm going home because I need to shoot stuff and I have a lot to do in general. So I'm just gonna go and get started, and then Malav will come in a bit when he's done because he's taking longer than me. My cake just arrived. It looks huge. Why is it packed like this? Guys, this is the cake I ordered for myself, literally.
Me, myself, and I, my cookie favorite who.
Yeah, my apni favorite who is the line, but
Yes.
good try. Guys, cake reveal. Oh my god, it is gorgeous. I am in love. I'm gonna shoot a reel now. Phone is on the tripod, it's all ready to go, and I'm so happy with my cake. Oh my god. Honestly, it was a little bit expensive, which I was not ready for because it's a cake, but then I figured that this is the market rate for a good fancy cake, and it's also quite big. It wasn't fitting in the fridge. We had to cut open the packaging and then like fit it somehow. So yeah, all good. I'm so happy with the cake. Apparently Malav has ordered another cake and he was like, mine is gonna be better than yours, but I doubt. Like, I know my cake is gonna be the best, so let's see. Anyway, let's shoot. I'm doing a little unboxing for my stuff, which I'll show y'all. I'll show y'all after I shoot the reel. So let me shoot and I'll be back. this, but both are from H&M and it looks so good. Like, I'm just a fan of how this whole entire outfit is looking. This is my top for the night. It's so pretty and I'm just gonna wear it with jeans because this is already so extra. Guys, we are so late because there is something happening at the Colaba Taj and there's cops and some VIPs here and the road is blocked. We've been here for 30 minutes. Terrible. Yeah, there are some VIP cars. Oh, he's holding the light for me. Yeah. Didn't get to show you my outfit because we were so late, but I'll show it to you when we are back. My outfit is so cute.
Happy birthday to you. Wonder how fast you grew, and 26 years just flew. You've always had my brains to chew and stuck to me like a bottle of glue. When you were a baby, you promised to buy me a glass shoe. Trust me, you are one of my favorite few. With you, I enjoy the morning dew and the perfect coffee brew. So many years would just fly by, who knew? At a point, I was so worried what you would do. I had no clue. We would spend all day and just argue. And now you are the best. That is just so true. Today on your cake, so many candles you just blew. Celebrating with your favorite crew.
Oh! Clap, guys. Thanks, Mom. So sweet.
How many days did it take over?
Anybody else has anything nice to say to the birthday girl?
No.
Something as nice as this?
Oh, she's written in like cursive and all. Not like cursive, like within a font. Happy
You know, in the morning when I'm trying to write this poem,
Wonder how fast you grew. At 26 years just flew. You have always had my
There's no need to
dreams.
mock. There's no need to mock like that.
every time I'm trying to write this poem in the morning, Papa is talking about the plumber.
But you already know now. what
I
it
am
is.
back on the vlogs for everyone asking why is Kanchi not here?
Why are you not vlogging with Kanchi?
Because they fought, guys. They've just got back together.
We hate
today.
each other.
Just because it's Riya's
My
birthday, we
work
are
life.
friends.
Yeah, friends only for 24
Man,
hours.
actually, people were commenting saying like, "What?
I've
where is
taken,
Kanchi?
I've taken Kanchi's place.
Where is
Sad.
Kanchi? This is gonna cause some beef. Okay, Kanchi is giving me her annual birthday gift. Birthday.
Tradition thing.
Yeah. Like whatever, bro. Whatever we like. Let's see. But this is like an international birthday gift because she's come back right now from Vietnam.
Yeah, like some things
It's
are
love, yeah.
like fun.
Oh, thanks. I did take it.
You can open the whole bag
Yeah.
and just see it.
Oh, see one thing. One more. What is this?
It's a bag I found. This you wanted.
Oh yeah.
We tried it at
Bro,
the spot
shit,
food
it's
day.
so good. Can I open it right now?
Yeah, it's open like this.
What is that?
Bro, just try one. It's insane. Which flavor should I have? I
All are
want
good,
grape.
bro. I tried all this. And all were
It's insane. It's just like this little candy. No.
I don't know.
I'm
It's
surprised
so
you didn't have
sour.
this in which flavor do you want? Okay, fine. Take this. Okay, I'll take something different. Strawberry.
It's so small.
It's so good.
But
just pop it in your
it's
mouth.
like insane.
Bro, the Asta's taste is sort of different. She might not like it.
I'm not Gen Z.
She's
Girl.
no, she's millennial.
Millennial.
You said million?
Millennial.
No, but it is.
Millennial.
Yeah.
Mm.
It's nice, I like it.
It's good.
Mm.
Which one you had?
Strawberry.
It's interesting.
I love it.
Yeah, bro.
It's so good. I really wanted it. Put it in my pocket.
Husband.
Happy birthday.
On my birthday. Actually,
You weren't great.
So cute.
What else? Oh,
this is cute.
Cute.
This is very me coded. What?
what about my iced coffee t-shirt that I gave you?
Oh yeah,
That's
he also
a
gave me an iced coffee t-shirt 2
That's a
days ago.
9.
So cute.
This is a
so
doggy.
cute.
That's sick. Looks
Very
like Shaun
nice.
the Sheep.
Yeah, it actually looks like a sheep. I thought it was a sheep first.
Then it's me.
Because of the color, na?
No, not shape and the
But it's a
cuteness,
dog.
Yeah.
Yes, shit, cute. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, bro, I can put this on the coach bag. I put
That's
this on
fine.
because I just got
Again,
I got nothing.
Again, this theme. The theme is doggy.
I have it here.
Inspo for coffee. Oh, instant coconut coffee. Yes, this
The
is
theme
what I
is
want.
doggy and coffee.
Oh, doggy and coffee. Does this
I'll
actually
send you
turn out
that.
like this?
No, that you can. That's like you need to add all of that extra stuff.
Make it, cold foam. Malav.
No, that you know if you add tender coconut ice cream on top, it'll become.
Oh, that's what you were saying. This looks good. This is actually have to more. This my one sweet fell out.
Arre.
Shit,
And the
yeah.
main gift.
Oh. Two sweets fell out.
Oh shit!
Oh
sorry.
shit.
No, first I just kept the sweets in the bag. Then I'm like, that's too messy.
Oh, shit for Oski. Oh. Oh.
It's gonna match with your outfit
Oh, so I can change right now into my.
if you wish.
Swarovski.
What do we think it is? Oh, earrings.
You saw the picture.
I think I saw the pic. I saw a name. Okay, let's unbox. Oh, even the box is matching my
Decor.
Arey yaar, it's ulta.
I didn't know you'll have to
Oh.
pick this up.
Oh,
So
pretty. So cute. Oh, sorry.
I was just gonna say that.
It's pinkish reddish. So it's not even pink and it's not even red. It's
Bro, I'm gonna wear this a lot.
I
It's
know
a
that.
very,
I know
very
that.
wearable.
I wanted to give you something that you can wear.
I love
every day.
it. I wear now.
Anna,
can.
your watch dial.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Yes.
Did you coordinate it?
When I went to choose, this was in my mind. But when I saw this, I'm like, oh shit. And
Oh,
it clicked.
shit. Yeah.
And the second thing I canned it, which was the second option, I'm like, this is the better option.
This is too good, and I love the diamonds on the side.
Yeah.
How do I?
Who's that?
Why is the sweet not getting homework?
Never ending.
Oh yeah, actually bite it.
I thought I had it already 10 minutes ago.
Huh?
Yeah.
Speed is increasing with age. I can't say that anymore.
It should be decreasing with age.
Yeah,
by the way.
actually, yeah, it should be. Sorry, yeah, I didn't work at HDFC Bank. This is my relationship
Your
with
mom
her,
has
by the
done
way.
all of this.
Yeah, leave it.
So cute.
Bro, she
Where are
was
parents
not
were?
understanding. Look, they're in the room. They'll come when more people come.
It's the same way the mine ones are.
Oh, it's
Oh,
still,
like the way you wear it.
it's still recording now.
Oh, even this was
She
Swarovski
cut
only. This was your some gift to me, birthday gift only. Is it all?
Yeah.
Ooh.
It actually looks cute.
Shit,
Bro, it matches.
Sure. It's damn. It's very
It's really
Ria.
cute,
It's
yeah.
very Ria, bro.
I love thanks, Kanchu. Love you, love it. We have begun. Let's go, mother. I've come perfectly dressed. I'm waiting to change into your outfit. Auntie, who's outfit?
No, she has to tank up even more.
No, can. Okay.
You can't.
You can't really skip it. She's saying what's the easy stuff.
Is Flash coming? Ria, can you check?
Wait,
Hi. Production team.
like that.
Oh my god, this actually looks so good. Like that. Happy birthday to you. Yay. Should I count for this?
Did you just remove it? Did you just remove it?
I suck at this.
I think it's the friend.
Guys, which is the best looking cake? Vote in the comments.
Guy blue.
By the way, it's my birthday.
I'm the dark blue gang.
Yeah. True bestie.
Every bite, it's like.
That's how.
Bye.
He's walking over as we sat down. When she goes and she gives this like.
Hi guys, it is around 3 a.m. I changed my top because it was getting really uncomfy. The sequence was really poking me. So I just wore it till like midnight and then I changed after I got pictures. But it was a fun night. View, Dia, Malav and Som chilled with me literally until like now, until like 15-20 minutes ago. And they also helped me clean up the house, which is by the way looking so much better now. But there's 3 huge cakes in the fridge, like humongous cakes. So I don't know who's gonna eat so much cake, but tomorrow I'll figure it out. Doesn't feel like anything, doesn't feel like my birthday, but I guess it never really does. I think the more birthdays that pass by, I realize that I don't know how I feel about my birthday. A lot of feelings take over me, not necessarily happy ones. I think I've had some traumatic birthdays, so they kind of make me feel weird, and then they make me overthink very random things. I really did do a little more than I had planned for tonight, also. But I'm so grateful for honestly everyone in my life at the moment. I love all of my friends, they are such great people, they always show up for me, and yeah, just feeling happy. And I also made some content. I made reels, so I'm happy about that because I got enough content to post. Since it's 3 a.m., I am going to go. It's actually literally 2:59. That's crazy. I'm gonna go and remove my makeup and get into bed because it is the time to be. Guys, this black tank top is looking better now than the pink top. Say honestly in the comments because I feel like this is so me. Like, this is me coded. I think the discomfort pissed me off. Stop it, Ria. You're 26. Thank you so much for watching and celebrating with me. The celebrations will go on until tomorrow. But for now, love you guys. See you, and that's it.